In this video, we will discuss the wait and sleep methods in Java. These topics are frequently covered in interviews when questions about multithreading arise. We will cover all of points as mentioned in outline. Definition: in Java, both sleep and wait methods are used to pause the execution of a thread, but they serve different purposes and are used in different contexts. Here's a breakdown of the differences between them. Wait method. In Java, the wait method is part of the object class and is used for inter-thread communication. It allows a thread to pause its execution until another thread signals it to continue. This is typically used in conjunction with the notify or notifyAll methods, which wake up threads that are waiting. Sleep method. In Java, the sleep method is a static method of the thread class that pauses the execution of the current thread for a specified amount of time. It's commonly used to delay the execution of code or to simulate waiting periods in a program. Example: key differences. 1. Purpose. Wait. Used when one thread needs to wait for a specific condition to be met before continuing. It's for making sure threads work together properly. Sleep. Used to make a thread pause or delay for a certain amount of time. It doesn't depend on other threads. 2. Usage. Wait. You use wait inside a synchronized block or method to make sure it works correctly with other threads. Sleep. You call sleep directly from the thread class and it doesn't need any special synchronization. 3. Lock release. Wait. When a thread calls wait, it gives up its hold on the lock for the object. This allows other threads to access and modify the object while the current thread is waiting. Sleep. When a thread calls sleep, it doesn't give up its lock. Other threads can't access the same resources while the thread is sleeping because the lock is still held. Conclusion. Let's summarize both methods in a simple way. Wait and sleep are both useful for handling multiple threads, but they do different things. Wait helps threads talk to each other and stay in sync. Sleep just pauses a thread for a short time,